Hi everyone, Neha this side, and I'm back with a very quick tutorial. And I've personally, faced this issue a lot of time whenever I was using my blogs and my uh, Facebook pages. So many times it happens that you just publish one of your blogs on WordPress or any other website, and whenever you're trying to share it on any of the social media platforms, sometimes a thumbnail image, or you call it featured image or thumbnail image or any other sort of terminology you may use for that. So basically, whenever you share any article, let's say if I post something like this, so you see this featured image coming in. But sometimes when you try to share an article on Facebook, it tend to look like this, and the image doesn't, the author, the either the image is not getting fetched, or the other information altogether is not getting fetched when you are sharing on on your Facebook page. And you might be wondering, how do I fix that up? So there are two issues. One is when you are not getting altogether any information when you are posting this URL, and it stays like this. And it could be another scenario where you could see something like this, where the image is not appearing but rest of the information like the URL and the title is coming in. Now, how do we solve that out? So all you have to do is you have to go to Open Graph Debugger and click on developers.facebook.com one, which is the first option. Whatever URL that you want to debug, you just need to mention that URL here and just debug. Right now I'm just using a test URL, and you have to just, unless until you see these all these options are coming here. Well, let's say for the first time you see that the image is still not coming, so you just have to click on scrape again. Probably try it two or three times. Usually, I mean, in 90% cases it will appear on the first go when you debug it for the first time. In case if you are not getting it for the first time, you can click on scrape again for probably two or three more times, and it you'll start seeing that this URL is, I mean, this information is coming along well. So it will try to debug the issue which your open graph data must be having. And soon after, whenever you try to share the URL, of course you have to close this window and everything, you have to delete that, and you have to close this window, discard it, and then again create a post and then share your URL. I'm sure that you'll see the thumbnail image and the other supportive information coming in. I would also like to share one instance where I was managing one company's Facebook page, and it was actually showing that the URL to this website are blocked by Facebook. So we were literally getting this warning by Facebook whenever we were trying to post anything from that website, and we were scared that what exactly we have violated. And to be honest, I use this debugger only. I try to scrape the information, because sometimes Facebook also makes mistakes, and I have to be honest about that. I've seen a lot of mistakes done by Facebook in my ads account, in my normal organic Facebook posting. So they do commit mistakes. Twitter is very much particular, and I'm going to be covering in my next video, or maybe I mean in my upcoming videos, if your Twitter account is blocked, how do we handle that? But yeah, for now, if you are also seeing such option where it shows that this URL is blocked by Facebook, you can try debugging it. I'm sure it might fix this problem, because I have solved it in the past and it really worked for me. And make sure that your open graph data is not having any warning. Like in this website, it's not my website, I've just picked it up, it's a government website in any way. So there are certain warnings, and if you find any warnings, try to resolve them and make sure that everything is in place, and I'm sure you won't get any issues. So that was really quick video for you guys, and I hope you're liking. I've recorded a lot of videos today, and please do like all of those and let me know how you like it. Yeah, bye bye, thank you.